What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to change the receiver name on Western Union. First thing you should do is to simply log in into your Western Union account, and after that you should go to these three lines right here. Then here you will find an option which is called History. Click on History, and after that you will see all the transactions that you have done. And if you want to change the receiver name, make sure that this transaction is not completed, so it should be in progress like this one right here. And now after choosing the transaction that is in progress, tap on it. Then here, as you can see, you should scroll down till you find this option right here, edit and resend. After that, scroll down again, then you will find continue. Click on continue. Then it will ask you to add an additional information. It will ask you about the purpose of transfer, so choose whatever purpose you want, then click on continue. And after that it will ask you to add the card that you have used in this transaction, or you can change it if you want, then click on continue. Then here, as you can see, it will ask you to enter the debit or credit card information, and after entering all the information, click on continue and review, and after that you will be able to change the receiver name. But as I said before, it's only possible if the transaction is still in progress, and you can edit anything in the transaction as long as it's in progress. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.